Evaporation is continuously happening at any given temperature, even if we can't see it. So right now, water is evaporating very, very slowly. Boiling, however, refers to the rapid vaporization of liquids when heated to boiling point. So only when water reaches its boiling point of 100 degrees will it start to boil.
Si tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come te venen cave di I love you, papà l'americano.
When a liquid like water evaporates, it gains heat energy mostly on its surface. This means that water particles at the surface have more average kinetic energy than the particles at the bottom. With enough kinetic energy, these particles at the surface can break apart bonds and turn into gas. But because of the particles at the bottom don't have enough kinetic energy, they can't break apart their bonds and remain in the liquid state. In boiling, heat energy is gained from the bottom of the liquid and is distributed throughout the entire length of the liquid. This means that all the particles within the liquid have the same average kinetic energy. When enough heat energy is applied, the particles can have enough average kinetic energy to break apart their bonds at roughly the same time and rise to the surface as gas.
Because boiling occurs at a higher temperature than evaporation, the particles in boiling water can break bonds faster and turn into gas faster. Vaporization happens faster at higher temperatures. This is because as the temperature increases, so does the average kinetic energy of particles, allowing them to break bonds more easily and escape to the surface as gas.
As we've already said, boiling occurs throughout the entire length of the liquid, and so heat energy is distributed throughout. This means that all particles within the liquid have the same average kinetic energy. As the temperature increases to boiling point, all the particles gain more kinetic energy and start moving faster. In evaporation, however, the heat energy is gained from the surface of the liquid, and so only particles at the surface of the liquid are able to gain kinetic energy. As particles on the surface start to move faster due to increased kinetic energy, the particles at the bottom have as much kinetic energy and so move slower. Woo!
When water boils, it gains heat energy from the bottom of the liquid, while in evaporation, water gains heat energy from the surface. Because boiling occurs throughout the entire length of the liquid, particles at the bottom of the liquid can break bonds and turn into gas or water vapor. Because gas is lighter than water, the water vapor quickly rises to the surface, pushing away water particles, causing bubbling. During evaporation, however, only occurs at the surface of the liquid. Because escaping gas particles are already on the surface, no bubbles form because they don't need to push away water particles.